Hey there people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to check last seen on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. To do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, head over to your DM section and then just tap on any of the profile. And here if you already share location, you will be able to see their last seen. As you can see here, you can see there is me now, and if your person that you are searching for was currently in here in this place, they would likely to be seen in here, and their last seen would be just underneath their profile name. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.